Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to talk with you about the different forms and texture of different types of rice that are out there. First of all, brown rice. Brown rice has only had the outer husk removed. It's got the bran and the germ still intact. So it has a nutty type of flavor, and it's one of the most nutritious types of rices that is out there. White rice has had the outer husk and the bran and the germ all removed, so what you have left is just the starchy inner core, which is called the endosperm. It does have a very, very long shelf life because most of the nutrients that were originally provided by nature have all been stripped out. Through our fortification process, we usually add some of that back, but certainly not all of it. This is the most common type of rice that is eaten around the world. Parboiled rice, what is that? Is it actually boiled in advance? No, it's actually not pre-boiled. It's subjected to a steam pressure process that forces the inner and the outer starches to combine together, and it winds up creating a less sticky and separate kernel, but it's not actually pre-cooked. It does help to retain a lot of the nutrients that are found in unprocessed rice, and the nutrients do tend to soak into the rice kernel before the outer layers are actually removed. So because of that process, parboiled rice is higher in calcium and potassium and certain B vitamins than is white rice, which is very interesting to me. It's got a light golden color. It cooks up fluffy and with separate grains. So parboiled rice is along the lines of white rice, but with more nourishment already in it. Converted rice. It is parboiled rice that's been cooked further, and that allows the converted rice to be cooked up very quickly when you get it at home. Converted rice is parboiled rice taken one step further. Instant or quick cooking rice has been fully cooked and prepared before packaging. Some of the nutrients will be lost in that processing, but for those who are short on time and want rice lickety-split, well, you can get instant or quick cooking rice, and it's already basically cooked. You just have to kind of get it going again and rehydrate it. I do hope this helps you out to understand some of the terminology that's out there regarding rice and how it's been treated in advance. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.